國際消息來關心，美國總統川普宣布講，將因的司法部長邦迪來免職，這是正做川普任的內閣第一個月來第二個落台官員。這個拍破司法獨立大力支持川普的邦迪任期敢若14個月爾。外界認為講，就是因為處理這愛普斯坦的案件處理了不好勢，引起川普的不滿。
美國總統 Trump 初二在正式社群答問，宣布邦迪會轉去民間部門做一份讓人需要而且重要的新工作，也指定家己的前私人刑事辯護律師，也就是現任司法部副部長布蘭奇接手代理司法部長。Trump 而了邦迪是一個真出色的愛國者，同時也是一個真忠誠的朋友。也毋過專家指出，邦迪過去14個月，若無甲 Trump 的政治對手起訴互告，又閣無化解 Trump 甲性犯罪復合愛普斯坦的疑慮，這就是伊落台的主因。
President Trump cares a lot about loyalty, but he also cares about perceived competence or the ability to get things done. So I think here he didn't like the kind of mess of the Epstein files.
在做美國最高執法官員期間，邦迪是川普政策的擁護者，不過嘛已經推翻司法部長期以來必須愛獨立運作的傳統。
So I think her legacy would be she tried to please the boss, but it was never enough.
今年2月，在眾議院司法委員會的聽證會，讓人問到 Trump 甲愛普斯坦案件的問題，邦迪要替 Trump 辯護。
Like former Prince Andrew, Donald Trump attended various parties with Jeffrey Epstein. I want to know, were there any underage girls at that party or at any party that Trump attended with Jeffrey Epstein?
This is so ridiculous, and that they are trying to deflect from all the great things Donald Trump has done. There is no evidence that Donald Trump has committed a crime. Everyone knows that.
邦迪是1個月來讓人換掉的第2個內閣官員，另外因為不滿處理移民聽書等等的因素，前國土安全部長諾姆3月初5也讓 Trump 甲免職。公視新聞景冠慶編譯。